Our new theme is life cycles. We're going to be looking at the life cycles of frogs, butterflies, chickens, cats, and then maybe one or two different ones like the one I sent you through the other day for the ladybird. The first one we're going to look at is the life cycle of the frog. So two frogs mate in order to fertilize the eggs. The female frog lays the eggs. Tadpoles hatch from the eggs. A young tadpole has external gills and a tail fin. The tadpole grows legs. The tail begins to disappear. The mature frog has developed lungs and lost its gills. A cycle is something that keeps going round and round like a circle. So you can see in this diagram that the cycle of the frog, it carries on. You've got the eggs, the embryo, the tadpoles, the gills, the tail growing, the hind or back legs appear. Then it lives on the food that's stored in its tail and grows bigger. Its front legs appear. The tail becomes shorter, then you get a young frog and the adult frog, and then the adult frog lays the eggs, and so it carries on. Now we move on to the life cycle of a butterfly. A butterfly lays eggs, then you get a caterpillar and a pupa or chrysalis, fancy name, and then out of the pupa a butterfly hatches again. And so the cycle continues. If you look at this slide, you can see that some of the steps have been left out. So I want you to fill in the steps that have been left out. If you go to the last slide, you will see there are some links to YouTube. If you copy the link, paste it into YouTube, then you will see their various life cycles. Find the one for the life cycle of the butterfly, watch that, and then fill in the blanks with the help of the video as well as the previous slide. This one, as you can see, is the life cycle of the chicken. So what came first, the chicken or the egg? The egg hatches after it's been laid by the chicken, and you get a chick. The chick grows up into an adult chicken. If you look, there's also a link on the last slide to a video about the life cycle of a chicken. Here we have the life cycle of the chicken. So what came first, the chicken or the egg? If you look here, you'll see there's an adult chicken which lays an egg. The chicken hatches and then becomes a little chick, and the chick grows up into an adult chicken. If you look on the last slide, you will see there's also a link to a video on YouTube about the life cycle of the chicken. Have a look at that and then write out the steps for the life cycle of a chicken. So this one is especially for Josh, the life cycle of a cat. You have a kitten, an adolescent, an adult, and a senior cat. If you look at my links on the following slide, you'll see there's also one to the life cycle of a cat. Please watch that and then also write out the steps that go with the life cycle of a cat.